Testing, 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 testing.
Hi!
Hello.
We are Holly and Arryn, and we are just starting our digital nomad journey. We've wanted to travel the world for years, and we're finally doing it.
Woo! We are here in Faro, Portugal, in the Algarve region, and this is behind us, our co-living house, where we're staying with a few other digital nomads.
We've been here for about a week. About a month ago, we packed up our whole house and life in Portland, Oregon, and moved away for who knows how long. We'll probably never go back there. We have to go back because our stuff is there. We both have been personal trainers for almost 10 years.
And for the past 5+ years, we've been running our online business,
doing online personal training, and then also we have a group program that blends kettlebells, barbells, and other bodyweight lifts. It's pretty fun.
And this video is all about our last few weeks in Portland, where we taught a couple of workshops, packing up all of our stuff, selling it, and training on our patio.
Enjoy! Is that weird, the way I said that? It's like I was going to say more, but then I didn't.
Yeah.
Aw, we're saying goodbye to these lockers this morning. Oh, open them up.
It's already empty.
Oh, there's nothing in there. We used to keep our bands and...
I'll put this in there.
Okay. No. Oh, no, you can't. Okay. Working on selling things, so everything is a mess. But yeah, that's my day today, is like figuring out what I can put out to sell. Yeah.
No, not yet. Oh, you're in there. Watch. Business.
We're conducting business here?
This is how we do it.
Meeting about conducting business?
We're meeting about conducting business.
For this, have your eyes on it, because we're going to switch hands. Clean. Jerk. Down. Down. Next.
Oh. Hello. This is the ham and Gruyere. Ugh, so classic, so good. All right, and then mushroom and cheese. And then this is a mixed berry scone, which is kind of like seasonal, I believe. And then this is zucchini bread with lemon verbena and mint from their garden.
And ginger.
And ginger.
Don't forget ginger.
And ginger. Ooh, you hear that? Okay. Oh, let me see. Oh. How's that?
It's very good. It's soft. It's moist. It's gingery. It's light.
It tastes like a spa to me.
In a good way.
Yeah, in a good, very
good
good way.
This is like one of my favorite things here now.
Yay! Just in time to leave. Done. Mm-hmm.
4 right now.
That's how we do it. Okay, I'm gonna see if all of this fits. We'll see. They're going in there. You two are like a mirror. Now you're not. Okay. All of our equipment going in the truck. Oh, baby. Okay. Oh, wow. Here's how we packed everything.
Just looking. Oh, cool. Wow.
Oh. Oh, hello. Oh, it's a little cold. So. The new garage gym. Yeah, I don't feel so. Yeah, I know. Aw. Bye-bye.